Hello students. So in this tutorial we will move ahead and we will see the next function, which is count. Now count will count the number of values, number of cells in a particular range. So equal to count. Again we press tab key to select the function. Now I go and select my invoice amount. So that is for April I have done the selection, comma, then for May I have done the selection, and last is for June, again the same, and I press enter. So 62. So there are 62 invoices in our data. There are 62 cells in our data. So we can cross verify over here. See, the last entry is for 62, serial number 62. So our count is of 62 values are present in the data. So that is what a count will do. So it means the 62 is our total invoices, and their sum of the amount is 6,13,000. So that is what it means by meaning of the sales data. Next, rounding. So we are rounding to a full number. So we have got our answer for average in decimal. So we are going to round it up. So equal to round. So this is my number, and now I want to round it completely. So I write 0, number of digits at 0. So it has done a complete rounding. Next, if I want 3 decimals, suppose, so I write a number of digits as 3. So it will show me 3 digits. So that is what it means by number of digits. So you need to very minutely examine this syntax of a particular function. So first it is asking to write the number, and next it is asking to give the number of digits. So that is what a rounding. Normal rounding, when you are rounding, suppose for example 9.2, by using normal rounding it will round to 9, and if you are rounding 9.6 it will round to 10. That is what round will do. But round up will always do the rounding on upward side. That is round up. So this is, so this number will get rounded to 9888. So it will always round on upper side. So this is what round up will do. And round down, so compulsory round down will round on downward side only, lower side. So round down. So I select again, number of digits I want 0, I want to completely round it, and I say enter. So it has rounded on downward side, that is 9887. So this is what count, round, round up and round down will do. You do it for sales, you do it also for receipts and balance. Only the data range you are selecting, you need to select off the receipt column and balance column. So this is what we learned in this tutorial: count, round, round up and round down. So in next tutorial we will learn few logical formulas. So keep on watching and keep on learning. Thank you very much.